Today, I wanted to talk about the fictional expectations that the online world is putting on guys before they can actually get into a relationship with a girl. There's this idea that you need to be already well established, have six-figure income at least, and you have to be 6 feet tall. Otherwise, a girl is not even going to acknowledge your existence. You're not even going to be worth her time to look at. The reality is a very different thing. Women really want a man of moral character above anything else. They want a man who can take care of them. And now, that doesn't mean a six-figure income. That means having an income at all and being diligent with your expenses, being diligent with your budget, making it so that she can live comfortably knowing that she's not going to suddenly not have a house anymore because you just went and spent everything on some foolish endeavor, some foolish item, whatever. She just wants someone who's in control, someone she can rely on. And that's not as hard as it sounds. Moral character is something all of us can attain. It's something that exists regardless of whatever profession you chose or whatever background you have to start with. But we can't keep on sitting on our hands and expect women to just show up and suddenly want to marry us. And we also can't, it's just ridiculous to think that we have to have these particular thresholds to actually get married, because even a casual glance around the world, in your own personal world, not like everywhere, will tell you that that's not reality. If you just take a simple trip to the store, you can just take a glance around and see that there's people of all shapes and sizes in relationships with each other, many happy marriages, and they are not rich people. They are not people, they're not men straight out of a webcomic that just look perfect. They're just normal guys, just like you. They're not all giant and tall. They're not all perfect. But what matters the most is that they are dependable, and they showed that, and so they ended up getting married because of it. Moral character, being reliable, steadfast, those are the things that are going to matter the most. If you can do that, you will be okay. And obviously, if you are a Christian, you should only be looking to get a Christian wife. Moral character is going to matter even more on that side of things, because God has high expectations of us. Obviously, our future wives are going to have high expectations as well. So please, stop sitting on your hands, waiting for everything to work out, waiting until you meet these particular criteria that you may or may not ever meet. They aren't the actual expectation. They aren't what you need to do. And frankly, with how things are today, even just taking that first step and being the one willing to pursue a girl will often be enough, because so many people are too scared to do anything while they wait to meet these expectations that never really existed in the first place. Please do not let the internet guide you in everything that you think, because it is going to hinder you a lot more than it will help you. Thanks for listening. This has been me just kind of ranting about stuff.